Once you have received your I Love Robin feeder, remove all parts from the packaging. Make sure you start off with the toggle button disattached from the hanger. The O-ring should still sit on top of the hanger just below the hook. Slide the hanger through the hole in the centre of the dome. Then grab the toggle button, press the button and then attach it to the hanger like so. With the feeding tray, screw the hanger to its centre until secure. You can adjust the toggle button to lower the dome. Lowering the dome deters large birds like pigeons and jackdaws.